Good morning everyone and welcome to our first full day here in Brussels, Belgium. Today we've started our day by doing a free walking tour around the city. We're currently at the halfway stage, so we're having a quick stop at a cafe, but the start of the tour was incredible. We went to the Royal Place, we had a sort of street art and graffiti tour, we had lots of information about the beer culture here, so much information included so far. And I'm really looking forward to the rest of the tour. It's a little bit cold this morning than it was yesterday. I kind of wish I brought my coat rather than my jumper, but yeah, so far so good with the tour. Okay, so we've just finished the 3-hour free walking tour of Brussels. We booked it with a company called Sandman's, so if you ever visit Brussels, I'd highly recommend checking out their free walking tours. And they also have some paid tours as well, such as I think like a beer experience, maybe a food walking tour as well. I'm not too sure, but I'll leave the link below to their website. You can check out all of their tours. But we're both absolutely starving. We haven't eaten anything today because we rushed to get to the free walking tour for 11 AM this morning. So we're going to go head and get some food and then hopefully head to the European Parliament building sometime this afternoon. We are now here at the European Parliament building, and outside they have a segment of the Berlin Wall, which is super interesting. And I didn't really realise how just tall it was. I mean, oh my goodness. But yeah, this is the outside. We're going to sort of walk around. It's like a big complex. So we just walked through a really pretty park, and yeah, we're just going to go and explore. Okay, so we are now at, I think, the main sort of entrance for the main Parliament building. Unfortunately, we weren't able to book any tours as we left it too late, but if you are heading here, if you are in Brussels and you'd like to come to the European Parliament buildings, you can book free entry into, to have a look around. You can book a free walking tour. So yeah, definitely check that out. I would leave another link in the description to the website that I checked out before realising that we actually couldn't do any of the tours as it's booked up way in advance. I think the next available date was like May the 2nd or May the 3rd, which is well over a week away. So yeah, definitely prepare in advance if you'd like to do that. But yeah, it's really cool to be here. Okay, so we are now just at a restaurant right by the European Parliament building, and we've ordered the beer Umita, which is €18.90, and it comes with 7 12.5 cl glasses of beer. We had no idea it would be as big as this, but I'm just going to do a taste test to try the first one. We did say the names of them, but I've forgotten, but let's try it. Okay, that's quite nice, that's quite nice. Let me move on to another one quickly. Not for me, not for me. Okay, that tastes like cherry, that's really nice. Okay, I'm going to stop recording now because we want to start drinking these, but I don't know if we're going to get through all of these, but we'll certainly give it a good go. Okay, so I feel like we're about halfway through the beers. We've got, 6 to go. Copsy's got one in her hand that's our favourite, that I think she'll probably finish.
Your face is going to be it.
So, yeah, the one I'm really not a fan of is this one here. Really not a fan. The ones I don't mind, I think, like these.
We've like mixed up the order, but
these are quite mild, sort of flavoured, I guess. I don't know my beers very well. I'm not a big beer drinker, but when in Brussels. Oh shit.
well, good content for the vlog anyway.
Cut. Okay, so we are now heading to the metro station after finishing our beers, which was an accomplishment, I think, as there's quite a lot. You had more than I did, but I'd say it was like a team effort.
It was a team effort.
It was a team effort. It was nice. It was reasonably priced, I'd say.
It was. When we split it, it was
when we split it, it was like €9 each. So yeah, we're now heading to the metro station to head back to Grand Place to have some dinner, have some waffles, have some chocolate, basically explore the area again, and then head back to the hostel. And then we've got the morning tomorrow before we head to Amsterdam in the early afternoon. Okay, so we've just bought ourselves some waffles. We went for chocolate and strawberries. As you can see, we've got exactly the same one, and yeah, I'm gonna put the camera down right now because I'm so desperate to eat this. We've been taking loads of photos, loads of videos for social media, but yeah, I'm gonna dig in. Okay, so I forgot to end yesterday's vlog, so I'm going to do that today. We ended up going for some dinner and then some drinks at a bar that then kind of turned into a club, but I'm going to end the vlog now. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.